Bluetooth not showing in Device Manager. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login, and Delete. Let's get started. So first, open your Task Manager, and you can do that by right-clicking at the bottom here and go to Task Manager. Go ahead and click on View, and then click on Expand All or Show Hidden Devices. So if this doesn't work, click on your search bar and type Troubleshooter. Go ahead and open Troubleshoot Settings, and then come down to Bluetooth, click on it, and click on Run the Troubleshooter. So if this doesn't work, you might need to install a Bluetooth driver, and you can do that by clicking on any browser and then typing Intel Bluetooth driver. So go to the official site here. So downloads is available for Windows 10 and 11. Just click on this download button here. And once it's downloaded, open the file that you have just downloaded and click on Run and follow the prompt to install it. If this doesn't work, go to your Task Manager, and you can do that by right-clicking at this right here and click on Task Manager. Go and click on Services, and then at the bottom, click on Open Services. Find this Bluetooth Audio Gateway service and right-click on it, and then go to Properties. So make sure the startup type is automatic. So just click on this arrow button and select Automatic. Once you do that, make sure to click on Start right here, and then click on Apply, and then restart the service again. So this is how to fix Bluetooth not showing in Device Manager. Thanks for staying till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.